Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best replacement heads is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a great shave. We're diving deep into the world of Philips Norelco replacement heads today, because a dull blade can lead to a less than stellar grooming experience. Whether you're a seasoned shaver or new to the game, keeping your blades sharp is key to a comfortable and efficient shave. Let's explore why these replacements are essential for anyone looking to upgrade their grooming routine. Number 5. RF RollingFit SH30 Replacement Blades. These replacement blades offer a 360-degree shave without any dead ends. They gently and painlessly remove your beard, leaving your skin clean and smooth. The round head design protects you from scratches. This product is compatible with Philips Norelco Series 3000, 2000, and 1000 shavers, as well as PowerTouch series models. It's designed to fit a wide range of shavers, ensuring you can enjoy a comfortable shave. The blades feature rounded edges that move smoothly over your skin. This design provides a protective shave, preventing nicks and cuts. You'll get a comfortable, dry shave every time. Installation is simple. We recommend watching our video for step-by-step instructions. The ear-shaped design ensures a perfect fit, providing stability and precision during installation. Each pack contains 6 replacement blades, ensuring long-lasting use. For the best performance, it's recommended to replace them every 3 to 6 months. This reduces the need for frequent replacements. What we like. This replacement head offers a full 360-degree shaving experience, ensuring no spot is missed. It's designed to be gentle on your skin, providing a clean and painless shave. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality, you should consider this one. What people say. These replacement heads for my razor was so easy to install, fit perfectly, and even dry shave was smooth with no irritation. Easy to replace, about 1 minute, and in less than 3 minutes I have a perfectly smooth shave. These replacement heads fit my Series 2000 shaver perfectly. They are shaped a little differently than the OEM ones, but they do drop right in if you orient them correctly. The OEM blades were well overdue for a change. I got the best shave I've had in a long while. Close, comfortable, no pulls. Closest and quickest head shave I've had in quite a while. Number 4. Philips Norelco SH5052 Replacement Heads. Introducing the Philips Norelco SH5052 Replacement Heads. These are designed to provide a powerful and close shave. They are compatible with Philips Shavers Series 5000 and 6000. These replacement heads feature self-sharpening blades. This ensures a consistently smooth and efficient shave. They are designed for maximum shaving performance. It is recommended to replace your shaving unit every 12 months for optimal performance. Replacing them is easy and ensures you get the best shave possible. These replacement heads fit a variety of Philips Norelco shavers. This includes models from the Series 5000, 3000, 4000, and more. Check the list to see if it fits your shaver. The package includes 3 replacement heads. For maintenance, use cleaning spray HQ110. This will help to keep them clean and in good condition. What we like. This product delivers powerful shaving performance with its self-sharpening blades. It's designed to last, ensuring you get the most out of each replacement. If you have a Series 5000 or 6000 shaver and want a reliable, long-lasting solution, it's a great choice. What people say. However, they work far more effectively than their cheap brethren and are absolutely worth the price. When I bought the Norelco heads, they worked great. I got a close shave again with no pulling of whiskers. Being an OEM part, they fit perfectly and work just like the originals. Number 3. Philips SH5050 Replacement Blades for Series 5000. Are you looking for a replacement blade for your shaver? This is designed for all razors of the Series 5000. It ensures a close and comfortable shave. For the best results, replace the blades every 2 years. This helps maintain the shaver's peak performance, ensuring a consistently smooth shave. The multi-precision blade system is designed to cut both long hairs and short stubble. This allows it to quickly and efficiently shave your face. The Super Lift and Cut system uses 2 blades to lift hairs and cut them at skin level. This provides a closer shave and reduces irritation. The package includes 3 replacement shaving heads. This will keep your shaver performing at its best for years to come. What we like. The product features multi-precision shear and super lift and cut technology for a quick and efficient shave. It's designed to cut both long and short hairs effectively. If you value a fast and effective shaving experience, this is the one for you. What people say. Blades are sharp and give a fine shave. Works best. Very close shave. They recommend a drop of baby oil on each cutter to improve durability. I didn't have any, so I used fine machine oil, which worked like a charm. Number 2. Philips Norelco SH3052 Shaver Heads. Over time, shaver heads can lose their edge. This replacement set will bring it back to its original performance. Replace the heads and experience a shave like new. Featuring 27 self-sharpening power cut blades, this product ensures a close and comfortable shave. Made of Swedish steel, it delivers up to 55,000 cutting actions per minute. For the best results, always choose genuine Philips replacement heads. They are made in Europe to the highest standards. This ensures optimal performance and longevity for your shaver. This product is designed for Philips Series 1000, 3000, and 5000 shavers. It fits models like S1XXX, S3XXX, SW3700, and S546X. Please note that it is not compatible with S55XX and S58XX models. The package includes 3 replacement shaving heads. This set provides everything you need to maintain a superior shaving experience. Get yours today and enjoy a consistently smooth shave. What we like. This product features high-performance, self-sharpening blades made in Europe, ensuring a close and comfortable shave. It is designed to restore your shaver's performance. If you want a premium shaving experience with blades made to last, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. They easy to install using the supplied instructions. They work really well. Shave was closer with fewer passes, consequently less heating. Sharp blade so no painful tugging. Switching to this new set of shaver heads makes a big difference. It cuts my shaving time in half. Number 1. Philips Norelco SH6072 Shaving Heads. Over a year, your shaver heads handle millions of hairs. This replacement ensures you get the best shave possible. It's designed to restore your shaver's peak performance. These blades are designed for a close and comfortable shave. Replacing them is key to maintaining the quality you expect. Get ready for a smooth, refreshed feeling. Made in the Netherlands, these heads are built for quality. They are designed to protect your skin while providing an excellent shave. You'll notice the difference immediately. The blades are engineered. For optimal results, replace your shaving heads annually. This ensures the best performance and a consistently comfortable shave. It's a simple step for a better grooming experience. The package includes 3 shaving heads. This provides you with replacements for your shaver. It's everything you need for a year of great shaves. What we like. This product features Skin Protect technology, ensuring a smooth and comfortable shave. The blades are designed to capture hair in fewer passes. If you prioritize skin comfort and a close shave, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The replacement heads fit perfectly and provide a close and comfortable shave. The new heads made my shaver feel brand new again. These replacement heads are easy to install and work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.